favorite one because I love it.
Really? We are gonna open the second card in Jakarta.
Yeah.
Scarlet, Violet, Twilight, Masquerade. Let's open it. So
Yes, and we see what toy was side.
yesterday we got a hit, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, but I put it in right and then
We hope there's another hit we got in Jakarta, right?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Wow!
Wait for it.
It's this one.
Yeah. Gonna open it. Let's open it, so let's hope for a hit.
Yeah, but this is the head. We only see one.
Let's hope for a hit.
Let's put for head in the back.
Back to back hit, right?
Yeah.
Oh no. I think oh no, it's okay. We have not seen it yet. Okay, let's go.
Whoa, that's it.
Basic energy.
That's
Next,
the
sing.
energy.
Aaron.
I want.
Sing. Spinner wrap.
Pirouette.
Next. Shashru.
Shadow.
So got a nice loop. Darumaka.
Tomato.
Next, sing. Oh, I think we have this already, right?
Yeah.
Melody.
What?
Oh, this one too. We have it already. Very nice. Next, sing. Diplin. I think we have this one too.
Huh?
Ding. Twacky.
Ducky.
Why is that? It's a hologram. Ding. Chimico.
Tomato.
Next. Sing. Iron. This is what we get. It's quite nice. It's shiny. This is the card that we got from this pack, guys.
Yeah.
Have fun.
But we have this, and we already had this and this and this.
Yeah. Can I see again? Okay, in the middle. Up. Okay, yeah, that's all we got. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.
You.
I think that's all from Jakarta, right?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later.
Make the song. How does the song sound like? Huh? Bye-bye.
Bye.